Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OPPO A54s smartphone, and in this video we will review the best display settings to change on this device. So let's go ahead and open up the settings. Here, go for the display and brightness category and start. So firstly, we have an opportunity to switch between light and dark modes. As you can see, a pretty standard thing to have on basically any modern smartphone. So once on the dark mode, dark theme, your interface just takes on the dark colors and everything becomes basically black, or everything goes into the dark color scheme. Below the manual switch, we are able to set up the auto switch mode between these two layouts, interface color layouts. We are able to set the custom schedule for it, for example from sunset to sunrise, or set any custom time frames. Next, we have the bar that allows us to regulate the display brightness level, and below it we're also able to set the auto brightness mode, which once activated will automatically regulate the display brightness level in accordance with the ambient lighting you have around you. Next, we have the eye comfort mode. As you can see, once activated, it makes everything look warmer, takes on the warmer colors and filters out the blue light. There are also some of the settings that we can configure for this mode. For example, make so it will be always on, or set some schedule for it to automatically activate. So as you can see, we can also set the time frames as it was with the dark and light mode switch. And there is also the bar that allows us to regulate the warmness level of this mode. Next, we have the auto rotate function. So this feature, once enabled, makes sure that the layout of our interface goes from horizontal to portrait modes and vice versa, in accordance with us actually rotating the phone physically. Next, we have the auto screen off function. This value is responsible for the time after which our screen will automatically turn off once our phone is in idle status. Next, we have the screen color temperature bar. Here we can basically just, as you can see, regulate the color warmness level from cool to default to warm. We are also able to regulate the font and display size, so increase or respectively decrease them, and change the font style. Here you have the previews, and you can see how will the increased or decreased font look like, as well as how changing the display size, display element size will affect our interface. In the more section, we have the screen display settings that allows us to change the layout of this top part of our screen of our display, where we have the selfie camera. So basically in here we can either configure the front camera display by app for each app separately, and the same goes for the full screen display by app as well. But basically I have no apps at this list, just because all the apps that are installed at my device do support the full screen mode by default. But if you will have any apps that do not support the full screen display, you'll be able to individually configure them. Alrighty, so that was it as for the display settings of the smartphone and for this video in general. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!